How to fix your phone date is inaccurate in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar. Now type WhatsApp. Now click on search. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down, click on apps, tap on app management. Now tap on the source bar and type WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Now click on clear cache. Now go back. Again go back and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and update. Now tap on system and update. Now tap on date and time. Now make sure to enable these toggles. Set time and set date automatically. Now once you're done, simply restart your device. I hope this should fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.